Imagine your company processing hundreds of accident claims, coming in from mobile apps, branch offices, call centers, and agents. One problem: no one knows where each claim stands. Which ones are waiting? Which need more documents? Which are under review or approved? Everything runs on emails. Claims slip through the cracks. Customers call again and again, desperate for updates. The first step towards fixing this was simple. Visualize every claim using a Kanban board. Suddenly, each claim moved clearly through 5 stages: new claim, document verification, assessment, approval, payment. Now, at a glance, everyone can see where every claim is in the process. No more missing claims. No more confusion. Teams collaborate better. Customers get faster, clearer updates, and trust the process. By visualizing work, the insurance company turned chaos into clarity and confusion into control. That's Kanban in action.